Hi folks, Hank from SixFourTrading. Talking about my trade on silver. This is what we're watching right now. I am back in this trade. I want to break this down for you real quick. This is a quick snippet. So silver's been running up, 80 hit 80, pull back. Why did it pull back? It pulled back because they raised the margin rates. They raised the margins for people trading this equity, so it caused it to sell off. So people couldn't meet those margin requirements. It caused it to sell off. The banks don't want this thing up, but they can't do anything about it because we're talking about physical silver. This is the paper side of it. So we pull back. We tried to push up again. We pull back again. They've been shorting the crap out of this because they're trying to get out of their positions. But there's a buy wall down here. You see this right here between 71 and 70? There's a buy wall. That's what buyers said this is enough. This is where it's sitting at. They can't suppress the price too much. So now we try to go up again. We pull back down into that buy wall. I'm back in this trade here under 71. I am in this trade long. I'm targeting 80 up here. Watch this trade. So let's break this down a little bit further. I have a trend line here, right? We've broken out that trend line, retested it, and now we're bouncing off of it. This is a standard trend line break and retest strategy for you to go higher to the upside. At the end of the day, we have narratives all around the world talking about silver, and China has now closed its doors, right, on exporting silver. Today, 50 million was requested ounces of it from the U.S. That got rejected by China. Trump is on his way to try to go meet with Xi Jinping to have a conversation. Doesn't matter. Silver is a rare metal right now. Everyone's looking for it. The COMEX doesn't really have it. People can't provide the silver for the paper that they have to cash that in and swap it out. This is going to go way up. The prices in Japan are 130. The prices in China are over 90. Everywhere else are up, except for here and on the COMEX. So now we're talking about a potential short squeeze. They're going to try to push this down. But what I believe the banks are doing, I think they either may already be out of their short positions or they're close to a point where they have a smaller loss because of the sell-off we had here, and taking that liquidity from those margins being raised and people having to sell, they've gotten out of a lot of those positions. They're going to flip long if they haven't flipped long already. This is going up, folks. Got to be patient. Got to watch this. I'm Hank SixFourTrading. This is the silver trade that we're in. We're targeting the upper to retest at 80 up there from where we are right now. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye.